It's 2024, a year destined for the pages of history. Today we unveil the full power of the digital gold ecosystem, a groundbreaking trinity of native tokens on the Cardano blockchain. This ecosystem is revolutionizing the way economic infrastructure is utilized and deployed into decentralized applications, with a mission to make cryptocurrency fun, easy, and accessible to all. The force driving the digital gold ecosystem emanates from these three native tokens. Digital gold, conceived as a smart, energy-efficient alternative to Bitcoin, has evolved into a central figure in our comprehensive three-token ecosystem. Digital silver, designed for utility, rewards, and peer-to-peer transactions, seamlessly integrates into the ecosystem. And finally, the pinnacle rare rewards and governance token, digital diamonds, adds a layer of exclusivity and functionality. Working in harmony, these tokens create a flexible economic infrastructure that facilitates interoperability, accessibility, and innovation. This synergy allows the digital gold ecosystem to build decentralized applications providing privacy, security, utility, games, and rewards, all in one place. But that's not all. Enter the innovative virtual mining process, a game changer in the crypto world. No special hardware or equipment needed. Community members can earn rewards through our virtual mining process. Obtain a mining permit NFT and hold a minimum of 1,000 digital gold tokens in your wallet to participate. This novel system takes crypto mining to a new level by eliminating the need for hardware. Forged out of necessity, our platform, tokens, and applications aim to bring crypto and the Cardano blockchain to the mainstream. So, how do you get your hands on these tokens? The digital gold token is available through Cardano DEXs, or our exchange vending system powered by Adelot. The digital silver token, equally versatile, can be obtained through DEXs, our jackpot vending machine, or rewards distributed in our arcade games or dApps. Last but not least, the digital diamond token. This rare gem currently can only be obtained through our virtual mining system. For a limited time while supplies last and diminishing over time, you can get all three tokens on the Cardano distribution platform dripdrops.io. I must stress this will not last forever, so get your tokens ASAP. The digital gold ecosystem is more than just a collection of cryptos on the Cardano blockchain. It's a dynamic force that's constantly evolving. With a focus on gaming and the overall crypto adoption, we are building decentralized applications that redefine the crypto experience, making it fun, easy, and approachable for everyone. Join us as we pave the way for a new era in cryptocurrency. The digital gold ecosystem where innovation meets accessibility. The future is now.